What if you were flying in an airplane that you built yourself? The Kitfox can make that a dream come true. The Kitfox from Denny Aerocraft places the dream of flying and airplane ownership within the grasp of nearly everyone. The Kitfox is an airplane that you build yourself. Kitfox customers the world over say flying in an aircraft that you have built is the ultimate in satisfaction, an unsurpassed feeling of accomplishment. And to answer that first question that comes to mind, no, it doesn't take any special training or highly specialized equipment to build a Kitfox. We'll say more about that in a bit, but right now, we'll just say that with a Kitfox, you'll be in the air easily and soon. Denny Aerocraft takes pride in the versatility of the Kitfox. It can take you wherever you want to go. In fact, there doesn't necessarily have to be a runway or even ground for that matter. Equipped with regular or amphibious floats, the Kitfox will land on water. Equipped with skis, it will land in the winter backcountry. Once the flying day is done, it's a simple matter to fold the wings back on the Kitfox and put it away until the next time. Imagine what that saves in airport hangar or tie-down fees. The maneuverability of the Kitfox is unsurpassed, yet its construction is more simple than ever, thanks to recent improvements in manufacturing techniques at the factory. Several high schools have put together Kitfoxes as class projects. The Model 4 is the newest Kitfox, adding much improved control and flight characteristics to the basic Kitfox design, which has proved so popular through the years. The Kitfox is unsurpassed in its ability to capture the sheer joy of flying. The Model 4 allows you to take in the scenery at speeds as low as 30 miles per hour or cruise along at up to 110 miles per hour. Taking off solo, you'll be able to break ground within 100 feet and climb at 1,500 feet per minute. The Kitfox provides power to spare. You can get into and out of short fields that you would never attempt with any production airplane. This power also allows for operation at high-altitude airstrips, power to climb to more than 16,000 feet at full gross weight. The control surfaces of the Kitfox are so effective that even through a power-off or dead stick landing, the flight characteristics remain agile and maneuverable. The large, soft tires help make landings and ground handling a breeze. Even if you're familiar only with aircraft with control wheels, you'll soon be a believer that stick and rudder is really the natural way to fly. Light and responsive, a real delight to the pilot. The Kitfox is the most well-behaved tail dragger you'll ever encounter. Pilots not already familiar with this type of airplane should be able to master it in just a few hours with good dual instruction. Structurally, the Kitfox is as solid a craft as you could ask for. The whole structure has been tested to more than 6 Gs positive and 3 Gs negative. The lift struts and attachment fittings have been tested to 14 Gs without deformation or failure. In keeping with the rules of the FAA for this type of aircraft, more than half of it must be constructed by the owner. Kitfox owners say that few projects they have undertaken in life have given them as much satisfaction as building their own airplane. For one thing, the difficult procedures have been done at the factory. The specialized tool work, forming, and all welding of parts, as well as precision machining and fabrication, are done at the Denny Aerocraft factory before you receive your kit. The fuselage, struts, landing gear, and tail group come pre-welded from the factory by experts. Then, they're inspected thoroughly by 2 different quality assurance people. This leaves the builder with the primary tasks of covering, sanding, priming, and painting. It may surprise you to learn that builders tell us that attaching the fabric to the airframe is one of the tasks they enjoy the most. The fabric is cut to shape, then glued to the aircraft structures. Remember when we told you that builders don't need special tools? Well, by using a regular household iron, you actually shrink fit the fabric to your aircraft. It's really that simple and straightforward. No time-consuming rib stitching or envelope sewing is required by the owner. After the fabric is on, you can customize your Kitfox with a personalized paint job. By using the Stitz polyfiber coating process, the covering will be completely non-flammable, yet 20 to 40 pounds lighter than if the nitrate butyrate process was used. Most builders are enjoying about 500 hours of construction time to do a good job in finishing their Kitfoxes. Quite a reasonable investment to make a dream come true. Every day, the Denny Aerocraft Customer Support Group works hard to assist you. Their professional, full-time technical staff and experienced manual writers make sure each manual is even more user-friendly than the last one. Each step of the assembly process is explained clearly with easy-to-understand text and photographs. A Kitfox can be built in a one-car garage. If you do this, though, you better expect some curious neighbors to drop by to find out what the heck you're doing. If you want to build your Kitfox in stages or finances don't allow the purchase of a complete kit, the Kitfox can be broken down into 5 component kits that can be ordered individually. This build-as-you-go program has been very helpful to many builders. Call Denny Aerocraft today for the plan that will fit your needs best. The Kitfox has been subjected to exhaustive testing to ensure its airworthiness. Since coming to the market in 1984, hundreds of Kitfoxes have logged thousands of hours without a structural failure. We all know that claims are easy to make, but we at Denny Aerocraft want you to be assured that what we say is true. Independent laboratory and flight testing is used to verify and document the performance data of the Kitfox, assuring the builder that all performance specifications are accurate. A new higher-speed laminar flow wing design combined with a new high-performance flaperon and a heavy-duty differential aileron control system dramatically improves control response, feel, and flight characteristics. This 2-to-1 differential flaperon system, in combination with the special airfoil, significantly reduces adverse yaw and actually lowers the stall speed from previous models, while increasing cruise and top speed. The flaperon design virtually acts like a full-span slotted Fowler flap arrangement. The wings feature aircraft-grade plywood ribs and tubular aluminum front and rear spars with internal stiffeners. The ribs are bonded to the spars using a modern aerospace-type structural epoxy. The Kitfox offers 2 engine options from Rotax: a 2-cycle aircraft engine which generates 65 horsepower, and also available is a 4-cycle, 4-cylinder Rotax aircraft engine which has 80 horsepower. Both engines have dual CDI ignition for added reliability. Both Rotax engines are designed to operate on unleaded auto fuel. This means that a Kitfox can be operated for just a few dollars an hour, with a fuel consumption rate between 2.5 and 4 gallons per hour. To some, the Kitfox recalls an earlier day in flying, when people took to the skies in small, sporty airplanes to get a look at the beautiful country that lay beneath them. It's this romance and adventure that Kitfox has recaptured and made available to everyone who's ever wanted their own airplane, all for about what you'd expect to pay for a mid-sized automobile.